Hi guys, this is Teacher Party. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. The purpose of this video today is to introduce a topic that I need to share with you today in class. I wanted it to have it on video so that you can replay it at home if you are still struggling with the concept. So this is just a warm-up. I want you to look at this. It says, open a Rage account today. SMS your ID number, surname, and monthly income. Pay back your purchase over 6 months, interest-free. Apply now. So this is Rage, guys, that store that sells shoes at the malls. But now, just a moment, they've added also clothes. So this is the store calling out people to apply. Okay, this is Woolworths. It says, do you want a store card? Don't want to carry cash? Get your purchases automatically billed to your account and receive a monthly statement. You can pay at any Woolies store by debit order via ATM, telephone, or internet. Apply now. So, also Woolworths is doing this. They don't want you to pay now. They say take and pay later. So it's sort of like a pick and pay later situation, not a pick and pay now. Shit Street, open an account. Before you apply for an account, you must make sure you are over the age of 18, you have a valid ID or passport, you are currently employed, you are contactable by fixed line, telephone, and a cellular number. You have a good credit record and consent to a credit bureau check, postal or residential address. So this is Shit Street, buying the linen and paying later. Mr. Price has the same option. Application requirements, application for an account. You must be over 18, have a valid ID, currently employed and earning an income. You are contactable by cell phone number. You have a postal and a residential address. You have obtained permission from your spouse to conclude this agreement if married in community of property or by way of customary law. Okay, so guys, what have you observed in the three or four snippets I put there? I'll give you a minute to think about it. Write down what you've observed. Okay, the minute is over. So you should have observed that these are clothing stores and linen store. You can purchase their items either using cash or having an account. If you have an account with them, it means you'll pay over a specific period of time. So you applying to have an account with them automatically makes you a debtor to Mr. Price or Shake Street, Rage, or Woolworths, whichever shop you choose to have a clothing account or a linen account with. To the shop, you are a debtor. So, what is a debtor? A debtor, and it's pronounced this way. I had to put a phonic for it. This is also game. Do you have my store card? Apply online at the nearest game store. And yeah. It's called a debtor, not debtor. It's a debtor. It has there. I thought I put this. So it's pronounced as DETA, debtor. So it's not a debtor. It's pronounced as DETA, debtor. So a debtor is a person that owes the business money. Here it says a debtor is a legal entity that owes a debt to another entity. So you bought the items on credit. So you are obligated to pay. You have debt with Woolworths, with Truworths, with the entity may be an individual, a firm, a government or company, or other legal person. The counterparty is called a creditor. When the counterpart is debt arrangement is with a bank, the debtor is more often referred to as a borrower. So ignore the last two parts for now. So I just want us to go to Mr. Price. Okay. Okay, this is buying tracksuits for kids. So let's choose the Superman. I add it to the bag. I go to the bag. I view what I've put in the bag. I check out. So then they want me to sign in. So I must have a Mr. Price. I must have registered online with Mr. Price for me to first be allowed to buy online. And when I'm buying online, there will be an option. You see, when like you're ordering through Uber, there will be an option given. Do I want to pay on account or do I want to pay cash or do I want to pay using a credit card? So I've got those three options. If I've opened a clothing account with Mr. Price, I will pay using the clothing account. And then they will send my stuff over to my house. So this is how this works, a debtor situation. You buy now and pay later. I just want to show you something. This is my invoice for fiber in my house. So what happens after you buy? They will send you a monthly statement with invoices or different invoices and a statement. So that's a very important. The source document for a debtor is an invoice, the original invoice. So you see tax invoice, 1st July, tax number, the due date that I must pay this, and it has got the business physical address, it has got my home address, and it has a description of the product I bought, the amount excluding VAT, the amount including VAT, the tax, and the banking details. So in order for you to start recording a debtor's transaction, you must always have an invoice. I will end there, guys. That was just the intro. We call it the warm-up. Thank you, guys. Bye.